Amid the ongoing crypto crash, popular Bitcoin on-chain analyst Willy has weighed in on the next direction for the world's largest cryptocurrency. According to Willy, Bitcoin has not bottomed yet. The on-chain analyst bases his prediction on three metrics and what they looked like during previous bottoms. Before we delve into all that, the biggest ever Ether upgrade has been completed, and the blockchain platform has successfully moved to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. The merge occurred on September 15 around block height 155.37391 around 2:42 a.m. Eastern Time. To celebrate the iconic moment, Ether creator and co-founder tweeted, "And we finalize, happy merge all." This is a big moment for the Ether ecosystem. Everyone who helped make the merge happen should feel very proud today. His tweet now has over 191,000 likes and 46,000 retweets. In a follow-up tweet, the Canadian programmer also notes that the merge will reduce worldwide electricity consumption by 0.2%. According to the tweet, this data was supplied by Ether researcher Justin Drake. It is indeed an iconic era for Ether and the entire cryptocurrency industry. Several industry experts have reacted to the completion of the much-awaited upgrade. Cardano creator Charles Hoskinson said the merge is a testimony to scientific progress, adding that the successful completion of the upgrade is a victory for the entire industry. Gnosis Limited CEO Martin Koppelman also noted that block production has been extremely stable after the merge. We can only look forward to seeing what this new era will bring for the Ether team, developers, investors, and other market participants. Let us know what you think about the iconic upgrade in the comments section below. Also, ensure you hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Willy, Bitcoin on-chain analyst and investor, believes we might yet see further declines in Bitcoin prices even bigger than June lows. In his tweets, Wu explains that we just haven't seen enough pain in the markets compared to other bear markets. Here is his first tweet. Have we bottomed? In terms of max pain, the market has not felt the same pain as prior bottoms. We can see this in the blue line. We have only reached 52% of coins being underwater so far. Prior bottoms were 61%, 64%, 57%. For his first metric, Willy used a chart from Glassnode showing the amount of Bitcoin supply and profit. From the chart, we see that the cryptocurrency has gotten quite close to the bottom Willy refers to in his tweet, but it is not quite there yet. In a follow-up tweet, the analyst also predicts that the crypto asset could drop to $9,100 if past bear markets are anything to go by. Here is the tweet. History doesn't need to repeat, especially in the modern era with future hedging available that is not picked up on chain. But if we do get a repeat with max pain reaching 60% of the supply underwater, that price is currently at 9,100 and slowly drifting upwards with time. In another tweet, Willy also notes that he is currently not investing money in the flagship crypto asset. Which brings me to one of the signals I'm watching before rotating capital back in. His tweet reads, "Supply and profit trend line break. It broke cleanly in all of the prior bear market bottoms." Using this particular metric, Willy has predicted that Bitcoin could drop to $9,100 before the end of the bear market. Do you think Bitcoin could make such lows? Please let us know what you think about this price prediction in the comments section below. In another tweet, Wu notes that the cost basis for short-term holders may have to drop lower as it did in previous bear market bottoms. His tweet reads, "Historically, bottoms coincide with short-term holders having a lower cost basis than long-term holders. We are close but not there yet. Some more time would burn, in my opinion. In 2015, we did a final capitulation in this area. In 2019, it was the absolute bottom." He accompanies the tweet with this chart. As he states in the tweet, it dropped, retraced slightly, and then did a final capitulation before recovery in 2015. But in 2019, it was the absolute bottom. We are yet to drop to those levels in 2022, which as Willy has predicted might mean that we have not seen the bottom of this bear market. So far, Willy has used two metrics, both indicating there might be more pain to come for Bitcoin investors. In another tweet, he employs a third metric. This time, he uses the rate of accumulation. His tweet reads, "Have we bottomed? I like to quantify accumulation as coins moving away from sellers to urgent buyers. Red line tracks this. Black arrows are all the same height. So far, we haven't had the levels of accumulation synonymous with prior bottoms." To support his point, he accompanies the tweet with this chart, which uses black arrows to represent bear market accumulation levels for the prior bear markets. The notable thing about the chart is that the arrows indicate roughly the same levels of accumulations for all bear markets, except for the present one. However, we must pay attention to the difference between the macro environment during these prior bear markets and the ongoing one. In the United States, for example, the Federal Reserve consistently provided support for the markets during previous bear markets. So investors had extra cash lying around for bear market accumulations. The opposite is happening in 2022. In addition to a 40-year high inflation which had driven up the prices of essential goods, the Fed is also jacking up borrowing costs and working to offload its $9 trillion balance sheet. Then there is the issue of the global recession, which is quickly shaping into one of the biggest global economic declines in decades. It should also be noted that cryptocurrencies are not the only assets affected by this brutal economic environment. According to data from FinTwit, the U.S. wiped out $1.6 trillion on September 13, with top stocks including Microsoft, Apple, and Google losing more than 5% of their prices in a single trading session. The macro environment is completely different from what we've had in the past. However, there is no denying that several indicators are showing that there might yet be more pain for all investors, crypto or otherwise. IRA allow you to save for retirement in a tax-advantaged way for greater financial security with lots of tax advantages. But most IRA offer the same boring stocks and bonds. Introducing iTrustCapital, the #1 crypto IRA platform in America. iTrustCapital allows cryptocurrency investors like you to enjoy all the exciting benefits of tax-advantaged retirement accounts. It combines the traditional IRA with the new, exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Why should you use iTrustCapital? It is the best crypto retirement platform in America, with some of the lowest fees of any cryptocurrency IRA platform. It gives investors adequate exposure to some of the top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot. You can buy and sell all your favorite crypto assets while enjoying amazing tax-free gains. It is adequately secured by Coinbase custody with a $320 million insurance to protect against theft. You can easily roll over an existing retirement account or begin a new one when you register on iTrustCapital. iTrustCapital is the trusted crypto IRA for many American investors who love the crypto industry. To join the millions of Americans who use the platform, please click on the link in the description box below. What do you think about Willy Woo's prediction for Bitcoin? Please drop your comments and observations in the comments section below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also, sure you turn on post notifications so you never miss any of our regular uploads. Thanks for watching our videos.